everyone, it's Lai once again and welcome back to my channel. In this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung super konting makeup and skincare collection ko because I will be unboxing an acrylic makeup organizer that I bought from Shopee. I'm very excited to open it and assemble it right in front of you para makita nyo if it functions, if it's good, and if you want to buy something also, then I will let you know kung saan ko nabili, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. So it arrived a couple of weeks ago, matagal na, pero wala kasi akong time mag-open, but it's right here. It came in a bubble wrap. Ayan. Sira na yung box, but okay pa naman siya. I checked. Hindi naman siya nabasag or anything. This is the invoice. Tapos, it's only 550. I think this was originally 1,000 pesos. Tapos nakasale siya. So, it's around 500 or 550 pesos. It's a cosmetic storage box rotative rack. Nakikita ko to, madami ko nakikita ganito, minsan mahal, minsan mura, minsan hindi siya masyadong maganda. But this one, I particularly bought it because somebody I know from Facebook was showing it sa Facebook stories niya. Ano ba yun? Messenger? My Day? Ano ba yun? Facebook My Day ba yun? Basta yung parang Instagram stories. Tapos I asked her where she bought it. So she sent me the specific link talaga. So I'm sure na maganda siya. I'm very excited to open it. Tapos we're gonna organize my makeup and skincare products together. So may foam siya. Tapos may bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. Ayan. Oh my god, wala siyang instruction sheet. So I have to figure it out on my own. I think madali lang naman to. Okay. Ay, meron! May instruction sheet. Wait lang. Okay. Obviously, ito is yung pinaka-bottom. Ito yung rotary Lazy Susan. Ayan, girl! I like it. Tapon. Mga divider. 4. And then yung malaking divider sa mid. Ay, super simple. My God. Okay, let's start. Dito. Diyan. Okay. Itong pinakamalaking divider is 2. Ay, ganyan pala. Ayan, may instruction sheet naman pala. So, itong dalawang super laking divider, i-cross ng ganyan. Yay! There you go. I'll connect it with this. Yan. Can you see? Okay. Ayan na siya. So, simple lang pala. Tapos, we'll put the top na. Yung nandito sa taas. Yung pinaka-ibabaw is ito. And then, merong mga rubber na circles. Hindi ko alam para saan to. I'll figure it out. Tapos, pwede ko ikabit tong mga ito. I have 4 of these. Depending siguro on the height of my products. So, let's just say, ganyan. So, may ano siya, 2 layer. Let's use all 4. So we're done. I think it just took 5 minutes. And now we're gonna organize our makeup. Currently, dito nakalagay lahat ng makeup ko. It's just a box. Tapos, magulo. Ayan, look at it. They just mix together with each other. Kasi walang division and all. So, this is gonna be perfect. I'm so excited. Pero super konti lang. Tingnan mo. My skincare is also here already. Super konti. So, let's start with yung pinaka-luma or the things I don't really use anymore. This is the Beautifix nose pack na hindi ko na ginagamit because mas gusto ko tong nose pore strip na yung mas easy siya eh. Kasi hindi siya messy. So, I'll just put it here sa bottom. Together sila kasi they are both pang exfoliate. I have samples here. Saan ko ba ilalagay itong mga ganito? Diyan muna. Temporarily. Yung Ilana, look at this. Hindi kasi ako bumili nung malaking Ilana na lalagyan. So, it's still here. Sana hindi siya sana it's okay pa rin. I will group all of my Ilana products. I have the Flower Power Setting Spray. So, dyan din. Si Ilana. The DDCC Makeup Primer. So, nakatayo sila Ilana dyan. The makeup remover. Ito hindi ko masyadong nagagamit because only if I do a full face of makeup. And I don't really do that. The ones I don't use very often. The mask. May mask pa ako. Super talaga. I'm very, very lazy to put on mask. I don't use very often. I have more samples here. Hamish Bulgarian Rose Satin Cream and Claire's Rich Moist Soothing Serum. Yung mga samples, it's in one corner. I have L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. Hindi ko masyadong nagagamit because hindi nga ako the foundation kind of girl. In short, tamad. Next is ito lang yung nilagyan ko ng Ilana na loose mineral powder. Super liit. Ilana goes there. This one I use every day because this is the step 1 of my double cleanse. So, I will put it sa... Oh, hindi ka siya. Second floor. Oh, hindi ka siya. Kasha pero mahirap kunin, so I'll move it. I'll move this sa baba. Yung step 2 of my double cleanse is in the bathroom. Step 3 is toner. CosRX 2-in-1 Poreless Power Liquid. Yun pa rin yung gamit ko. My skincare routine video, I mentioned these. Check it out if you haven't seen it yet. My moisturizer from Mizon. Actually, it's not pala a moisturizer, pero I like it. Malapit siyang ubos. And then actually, yung galing sa first skincare video ko, naubos na yung ibang products. What I changed is Wild Leaf. Hindi ko pa siya nagagawa ng video because I want to do a full review about it. So far, I'm purging, so hindi ko pa siya magawa ng honest review. But anyway, ilalagay ko kasi dito, so you're gonna know about it already. This is the Vitamin C Serum. It's very popular, their Vitamin C Serum. Uy, hindi ka siya. Uy. Hindi ka siya, girl. Hindi ka siya. I have to move it again. Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it anyway. Easy na naman. So easy. Vitamin C Serum. Perfect. Hibiscus Facial Cream. Ito yung moisturizer nila. Herbal Facial Oil. I also changed na. Actually, naubos ko yung Pukang Yul. So, ito yung pinalit ko. So, balik tayo sa mga hindi ko masyadong nagagamit. This corner. Yung Maybelline Superstay. At first, it was one of my favorites. Actually, akala ko magiging favorite ko siya. Tapos, para kasi siyang semento sa lips. Hindi siya pang all day. Nagka-crack siya, nagda-dry siya. Ang hirap niyang i-reapply. Kasi you have to kind of erase it and then reapply. So, hindi na siya favorite. Buti isa lang yung nabili ko. Superstay in Self-Starter. I like the shade, I like the color. Pero, kapag kumakain ka, ang hirap niyang i-reapply. So, hindi ko na siya nagamit. I don't know what to do with it. Display na lang. One of my favorites, actually, nandito siya because I want to show you sa video, but this is inside my bag always. The Sunny's Face Fluff Matte and Milkshake. I think this is for lipstick, no, dito. Yeah. And yung favorite ko din, KJM, in its old packaging, super luma. KJM Cheek Lip Tint in Bloodshot. Petroleum Jelly na rosy lips. I like it, pero mas gusto ko pa rin yung plain. I don't know why. Anyway, It's here. It belongs to the hindi ko nagagamit na things. My first MAC lipstick. It's very memorable. Konti na lang siya. And it's probably expired kasi anong year to? 2014, 2015. So it's probably expired. And this was one of my favorites talaga ever. Hindi siya lang wearing or anything, but it's MAC. And I was just so proud when I was able to buy it. So it's still here. I'll probably throw it someday, but it's not crowded yet. So a lip tint. See, I love lip tints. It's the Semul Water Candy Tint and Watermelon. This is good. Nagsustain siya, pero mas gusto ko yung KJM. Still here though. If wala si KJM, that's what I use. And then my brush. Ano ba to? Ayan. It's okay, but it's not the best brush. I'll just put it here. Here. Ang weird ko, kinakrowd ko siya sa isang place lahat. So many places. Konti na lang. These are the only eye makeup that I have. Yung Maybelline favorite ko na pangkilay, what I'm using right now. And yung Maybelline na, anong tawag nito? Hyper Sharp Power Black na gel. Gel ba to? Liquid eyeliner. I don't use it very much, but every time I want to use an eyeliner, this is what I use. Sira na siya because I always put it in my bag. I always carry it with me. Pero today, I'm just showing it to you, but after the video, I'll put it back inside my bag. Wala siyang girl. Wala siyang pang lagay ng mga mahahaba or mga ganito brushes. Baka dito. Ay! Baka dito. Ayan. Ah, I know! You can put like a cup here. Yung parang mga acrylic din na mga thingy. Tapos you can like lagay yung mga brush because you can pwede mo namang tanggalin yung iba, diba? So for now, dito na lang. Wala talaga akong brushes I swear. I have a Human Nature Lip Scrub Peppermint. I thought it was gonna help me with my dry lips, pero I don't know. I think, ano lang talaga, tamad akong gumamit. So, hindi ko siya masyadong nagagamit. It's a Human Nature Lip Scrub. Parang may sugar siya na, rough texture na ganun. So, oh my god. Guess where I'm gonna put it? Dito sa, hindi na kasha. Dito na siya together with, mga Ilana. Ayan, para my friend si, Next is yung Sunflower Lip Miracle from Human Nature. Actually, there was a time that I really liked Human Nature products, but this one, hindi ko gusto yung scent. Tapos yung lip scrub nga, hindi siya masyadong nag-work sa akin. So, hindi ko sila masyadong nagamit. But what I like about this is it's very visible, everything. Hindi siya natatabunan. Walang mga, I don't know, you can see everything depending on how I arranged it. So, if there are things na hindi mo na masyadong nagagamit, you can either decide to use it, start using it every day para hindi masayang, or you can give it or throw it out, diba? So, I think this is a good idea. Display it there, ganyan. Para maisipan ko silang gamitin someday. Ay, meron pa pala akong mga eye thingy. Oh my god, I forgot about this. K-Palette Lasting 3-Way Eyebrow Pencil. This one has a pencil, a powder, and a spoolie. Pero ayoko sa shade niya. Mas gusto ko si Maybelline. As in, ayoko sa mga mamahalin. Mas gusto ko si Maybelline, girl. I'll just put it there, though. And last is the Sephora Brow Pencil. Is this a pencil? Pro Brow. Okay lang naman to, but hindi ko pa siya nagamit. I have to learn how to do this. This was a gift from my mom. From Sephora. Okay. So, madami na sila dyan. Okay, I probably do the acrylic thing, but I don't have an acrylic thing. Next is pangkilay. I put it there din. So, that's it. Everything na mahahaba eye products, pero I just put the brush na lang din. Nandyan. And then, lip products nandito sa... Tapos, samples. Yung mga nasa maliliit na sachet. Mga sample. Tapos, mga Ilana and Human Nature. Skincare. Yung pinakagamit na corner. And yung mga hindi ko masyadong nagagamit. Obviously, super dami pa ng space. There's so much to learn, so much to buy. But for now, I'm sticking to what I need lang. So, yun lang talaga. This one, and then, actually, meron akong mga bagong nabili, I'll show you. Just yesterday, I went to Watson's, and then, bumili ako ng eyelash curler. Curlash ba yun? Tapos, Lash Sensational from Maybelline and Super BB Ultra Cover BB Cream. Hindi siya bago. 01 Fair. Hindi siya bago. These are old things or old products. Tapos ngayon ko pa lang siya nabili because I was curious. Hindi ko kasi talaga feel mag foundation. This one, hindi ko talaga siya carry everyday. So baka tong BB cream is better. I'm gonna try it out. Lagyan naman natin dito. I'll probably make a video about that. Baka pwede ko to siyang i-everyday. So we are done. I hope you enjoyed my video. Ito. Here is my acrylic makeup organizer. It's rotating. It's very convenient. Pero, ang dami pang kulang. If you can subscribe to my channel, then you're gonna see this being filled up slowly, little by little. I'm gonna find the products that are good for me. And you're gonna learn about it then. And then we're gonna learn together. It's gonna be fun. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you're gonna subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below. Tap on the notification bell na din so that you are always notified whenever I upload a new video.